My friends, look here, how delightful these cocoa castagnole are. You just have to try them and then let me know. What an aroma! The first thing to do is to put the eggs and sugar in a bowl, here we go, and start whisking everything together. To the mixture of eggs and sugar, we add the melted butter. A bit of liqueur, in this case I'm using Strega liqueur. You can use any type of liqueur you like, or if you have children, you can easily leave it out. So don't add anything. Let's do it like this and then add a bit of vanilla. This is vanilla extract. Let's keep mixing a little more. Now let's add the dry ingredients to the mixture. All-purpose flour, unsweetened cocoa powder, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. So we're going to mix all these ingredients together until we get a dough that's fairly firm. And we start mixing everything together. Here we go. Now we put a little flour on the work surface and empty out the dough. And as you can see, it's fairly firm. But we still need to shape it a bit more. We need to work it a little with our hands. And this is how we do it. Here we go. And now we have a nice soft dough ball that's not sticky, okay? Let's wrap the dough ball in plastic wrap. And let it rest in the fridge for about half an hour. Okay? Our dough ball has firmed up and rested. And now let's shape the castagnole. So just by making simple balls with this beautiful dough, we weigh them, maybe about 20 grams each. And here we go. It's so easy. Look, our castagnole is ready. We put it here on the plate and continue with all the others. Now all that's left is to fry our castagnole. Here I put plenty of seed oil in a pan and then I prepared some granulated sugar. Why? Afterwards, as soon as they're taken out of the oil, they'll be rolled in sugar. The oil should be at a maximum temperature of 170 degrees, no higher, otherwise they'll cook on the outside and stay raw on the inside. So now, as you can see, I've already brought the oil up to temperature and I'm dropping in the castagnole. Gentle cooking to get an excellent result. And don't put too much. 4, 5 at most, like my little one, here she is, and let's let it cook. When the castagnoles start to open up, it means they're cooking well inside, so give it about 3 minutes. Then it depends on the size, okay? If they're bigger, obviously a little more time, but as you can see, they're cooking gently. And here the castagnole have opened up nicely and are also cooked. Let's put them here to drain. Here it is. We let them rest for 30 seconds and then we roll them in sugar, still nice and warm, just like this. Here it is. Dearest friends, here are the cocoa castagnole for you. They look beautiful and what a wonderful smell, oh my. And now all that's left is to taste them, right? And I'm going to see. Look, they're beautiful, they're still steaming, they're perfectly cooked. What a delight, my friends, but what is Voudica doing? You just have to try them to understand how delicious these cocoa castagnole are. They're truly excellent. And with this sweet little taste, I send you all a big hug and a big kiss and happy carnival to everyone.